Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert daily Cordex data into monthly as well as annual data. So if you like this video, please subscribe as well as share for your friends. Now I will start. So first of all, we have to do mass correction and extraction, okay? Precipitation, location file, then desktop tutorial, observe it, PCP, that's the location file, open, and I will use a delta change correction method. Then I have to select the folder and tutorial. So one is the Cordex data for precipitation. Then select. Again here we have to select the scenario ICP 8.5. To select it. After this, we have to select the folder where we have to save. Okay. Let me select the desktop, select folder. Okay, now we have to check the files. Okay, therefore click on check files. Okay, check this box. Use only overlapping time period. Start processing. Click on this. Okay, now extraction and evaporation is done. Close this one. And this one is the data. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one is the mass collected data by using data change method. Open. Therefore, this one is RCP 8.5. Open. Okay. Therefore, this one is the data for RCP 8.5. Okay. This is the data of 15 years. Okay. This is the data of 15 years, which starts from 2021 up to 2035. Okay. Therefore, let me open. Okay. Started from 2021. Okay. But this one is daily data. Okay. It's daily data. It is very difficult to convert this one manually into monthly as well as annual. Okay. Therefore, we have to use what? Excel. We have to use Microsoft Excel. Okay. Therefore, so how I can use that? Okay. So let's see. First, we have to open Excel. Okay. Close this one. Okay, this one's Microsoft Excel. Now, after we open this, we have to go to File, click on File, click on Open, click on Browse. Now, we have to go to the desktop. Okay, the data is in what? PCP folder. Okay, click that. Click this one. This one data change. This one is mass collected. Click that. And this one is future channel RCP 8.5. Okay. Double click. Okay. Now you can click on this. Okay. So now this one is what? This one is the location file. It's not important. And this one is what? The data of 15 years. Therefore, click on this. Then click on open. Okay. Now you can check this one. Okay. If you want the header to be observed here, you can check. Now next. So now, if it is temperature, There are two data, measurement and temperature. Therefore, we have to click on this comma. Therefore, they have to be separated by comma. Okay. Now, can simply next, then click on finish. Okay. So this one is the data, the precipitation data, which was mass collected, which starts from 2021 up to 2005. No, 2021 up to 2035. Sorry, okay. Therefore, the data of 15 years. Therefore, it is so difficult since this one is the daily data to convert into monthly as well as annual data. Therefore, so how can we change this one into monthly and annual data by using this software? By using this Microsoft Excel. So first, let me add here another cell. Click here and then here 01 001 01 and 2021. Okay. Enter. Now, no, sorry, this one has to be here. Copy, paste here. Okay. This one is the variable. No, the date. Okay. Date. This one is the variable. Precipitation. Okay. So this one is the date, this one is the precipitation, that is the value of precipitation. This one. So by writing here, this one is what? The date in the date format. Okay. Okay. This one is in date in the date format. Then by clicking by double clicking here, you can perform for all dates. Okay. Therefore, double click on this. Okay. Therefore, this one is the data which starts from first month 2021 up to 2035. Okay. Let's see. Okay. This one 2035. This one is a mistake. Okay. So, 2035. Okay. Now, how can we convert this into monthly as well as daily? So, first of all, click here and Control plus A, Control R, then come here, insert, click on that and click on pivot table, then here click on OK. Okay, now check this box. Okay, check date as well as precipitation. Check this box. Okay, check, and now since it is climate change, since we are going to see or evaluate the climate change, we are not going to use quarter. Okay, uncheck that. Now by default under value there is precipitation, and under rows there is both years and dates. Okay, therefore we have to take the date under the column 1, this one. Click on that and drag and drop under the column 1. Okay. obviously under the row there are years, okay? There are years under the rows, and under the column there are months, okay? Now here content. Click on this and file field setting, click on that. Then actually this one is what? Precipitation or rainfall. Therefore rainfall has to be summed. If it was temperature, we have to what? We have to compute the average. Now this is the rainfall, this sum, we have to sum the rainfall monthly as well as annually. Therefore click on OK. And now you can exchange this one, okay? You can exchange if you want the months across the row, you can exchange. Drag and drop here and drag this here and drop here, okay? Now the years are across what? Across the column and the months are across the rows, okay? I think it is better to put this data in this way, okay? I think it's better here. Now, in this way, you can simply change the daily data into monthly as well as annual data in a minute, okay? This one is what? The annual data, okay? You can change that annual to annual. You can check, okay? You can check this one, okay? Can check this one is the sum of all annual rainfall means it is the sum of all months, that's the sum of 12 months, okay? Sum, okay, select the 12 months to December 18 okay? This one is okay, okay? Therefore we converted the 15 years data of Cordex after mass collection, extraction and mass collection into monthly as well as annual data. Therefore, I think this video is very helpful for you. If you like the video, again, please subscribe as well as share for friends. Thank you very much. Bye.